National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Big Bend or near Wind Lake, moving south at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waterford North around 8:30 p.m., Rochester around 8:35 p.m., Eagle Lake and Browns Lake around 8:40 p.m., Union Grove around 8:45 p.m., Paddock Lake, Camp Lake and Silver Lake around 8:55 p.m., Pleasant Prairie around 9:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include